I'm going to apply some filters to this image. I'm going to go up here in the upper left under filter, and I'm going to go down to filter gallery. Now there's a hand showing. I'm going to left click and hold. I'm going to drag up and over, get that guy in the picture. Okay, then go up here to artistic, click on the triangle. There's colored pencil, and there's what colored pencil looks like, and you can move pencil width, stroke pressure, paper brightness. You can move those around. Let's go pencil width, move that to 12. Down in the lower left there's a gas gauge or an update gauge that shows it's applying that to that image. There, that's done. So I'm going to now click on cutout. See how that looks. Yeah, that's kind of like an old cartoonish looking thing. There's a whole bunch of different brushes in there. If you don't like it, you can click cancel up here in the upper right. Or if you get it to what you want it, you can click OK and that will apply it to it. I'm going to close that folder. Here's brush strokes folder, accented edges. Different kind of look in there. Again, you can move edge width, edge brightness, smoothness. You can move those around. There's a bunch of different ones in there. Here's distort. Let's see, diffuse glow. Oh, that's kind of cool looking. Looks like ghost. Here's glass. Let's see, we have sketch. That's boss relief. Chalk and charcoal. There again, you can move the sliders around to change the look. Here's stylized glowing edges. Oh, that looks cool. And then we have the last one is texture. Craquelure. There's grain. Oh, we've been trying to get rid of grain in images forever, and now you can add it as a filter. But if you want a photo to look old, it comes in handy. So I am not going to apply any of these. I'm just going to click cancel. Well, let's click OK. So there, it just showed up on that whole image. And then if I was going to save it, I'd go File, Save As, and I would want to save it as a Photoshop PSD file. That's the highest quality. You would select what folder you want to go into and then click Save. I'm not going to save this, so I'm going to click Cancel. And then here in the History palette, I can go back to the original image by clicking up there. It takes the filter off. So that's kind of a real basic overview of filters. Have fun with them. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.